Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, we will learn how to grab and throw objects with our characters. This is the end result. This is the file, pick up and throwing objects, finished. This is the finished version. And we have a caveman or cave woman, looks more like a woman. And she sees a little piece of civilization. And what does she do? Well, she gets angry. She hates civilization. She goes like, "What's this, civilization? I hate civilization. We should live in caves," right? And so this little animation is about a character picking up an object. You see? It picks up the object and then it throws it away. This is super easy to do. And I'm going to show you how to do that. If you want to follow along, I prepared a file for you right here. Just open pick up and throwing objects, start. We open this file and this is the animation we have. She's supposed to be taking something and then throw it away. Right now we have nothing. Now the interesting thing here is that we won't be animating this object at all. It won't have any animation at all. It will stay there, but we will link it to her hand and then release it so she can throw it away. Okay? So for that, let's go. I'm going to show the timeline and I'm going to select this character. No, actually this one, the little piece of civilization. And I don't want to show all the layers. I just want the object related, this one will show me whatever I have selected in the workspace. Let me pick it and I'll close the project. I don't need to see it. Remember, if you want to bring the project, just click here and bring the project back, okay? I don't need it here. Now, we have seen motion, visible, we have seen transform, collect clip, and now we are going to learn how to use link. Okay? This one right here. So I'm going to have that object selected and then click on link. And look what I'm going to do. I'm going to start linking this one, the object. I'm gonna zoom in. But wait, right now I'm in recording mode. Let me turn it off. Whoops, where's my scene? There they are. Now I'm zooming in. And now what I'm going to do is find a place in time where I see this character take the object, okay? She's like this. And then there. That's the action where she picks up the object. I'm gonna put it there. I'm using frame 46. It can be a little bit later or a little bit earlier. 46 for me, it works. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to link the object, the entire object, to the hand. They are going to be connected. How? By using this tool, the linking tool. So, with that object selected, I click on link, and then I can click on any object I have in my workspace. In this case, I can click on any part of the character. You can click on the character, but more interestingly, you can link it to a specific part of the bones. This is super cool. So check this out. I'm going to click here, and that is going to add a keyframe right there because I have the timeline, the cursor in the timeline, I have it on frame 46. So let me click there. And now it's linked. And it's going to be linked with a hand all the way until the end of the animation. Let's see it. I'm gonna zoom out. Actually, just activate the camera and play it. Look, it's not linked. And then up from here, it's going to be linked. Let me play it. You see? Very, very easy. That was super easy. Now I have to release it. From here, I'm going to release around, I think right here. I will be using frame 148, okay? And To release, I just click, I have that object selected, and then I click, instead of the linking, I will click on the little arrow. You see, I click there to bring the options and select unlink. Boom! Now it's unlinked. And now I have a linking happening on all this time, you see? It's not going to throw it, it's just going to be released. Check this out. It takes it, and then it releases, right? So all I have to do now, I'm going to take this object and it freezes there. So if I want to throw it, I'm gonna go to frame maybe around here and just take this object and push it away like this. Wait, no, I just made a mistake, a terrible mistake. I added a keyframe without adding a new keyframe for the transformation. For this, I'm going to show the transform. Let me show it. Okay, yes, I have a keyframe here, but I don't have any keyframe showing here. So this is going to give me a mistake. Look, an error. The whole time is traveling from that point to the next point. Let me undo. And so what I want to do is on this frame, I'm just going to double click here to add a keyframe. Double click, and that adds a keyframe there. And then I move it to here maybe, and then throw this away. There you go. Now what I want to do is add a transition curve. Transition curve, you don't see it, but it's below your screen. And then I click on smooth. No, maybe decelerate. Yes, that's the one I like. Very good, very cool. Now you know how to pick up objects. And this is it for this lesson. In the next one, we will learn how to create a simple motion graphics using elastic motion clips, okay? See you there.